Hey, I'm Tilly, and I understand you're wanting me to do some trick here or something with these eggs. And this is some kind of popular YouTube thing where I'm guaranteed to get at least 50,000 followers because I have 950,000 and I need to get to 1 million. Is that true? Because otherwise I'm not doing it. Okay, great. Here we go. It's an eraser with a little thumbs up. Thumbs up, 50,000 followers. Okay, don't know what else to do with that. I'm just gonna put it over here. And here goes the yellow one. It's a unicorn, I guess, and a Pegasus at the same time. She's not sure. It's very, walking that fine line between unicorn and Pegasus, I guess. I don't know what to do with that. But she's cute. She's cute. I dig her hair. The multicolored hair thing. Could never pull that off. It's just not my vibe, but it's cute. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's... Wait, let me get it opens. Oh, it's lip gloss. It's like a knockoff EOS ball. It's a cheap version of that. What those knockoffs? Not. Only the real thing here. Everything's real. Everything's real. They're really real. And it's another little unicorn / Pegasus thing. Can't make up her mind, so she's both. It's very trendy right now. Thing to do. Not that I'm saying anything's wrong with that. Nothing's wrong with that. You can be both. You can do whatever you want to do. Totally cool with me. Are we good? Because I have a lunch date, and then a colonic, and then a yoga class, and then a hike, and then probably Pilates.